Are you looking for a Valentine's origami-themed gift that feels meaningful, creative, and memorable? If so, consider our Origami Valentine's Day Heart Mugs. These Valentine's Origami Mugs celebrate love through design, purpose, and shared experience. Each mug features a bold origami heart, alongside clear, step-by-step detailed visual instructions that guide you through folding a classic origami Valentine's heart. These diagrams are clear and easy to follow. Together, they transform a simple mug into an interactive gift. These features show you're someone special, that you sought out something uniquely personal, and will leave a lasting impression well beyond Valentine's Day. Each mug comes in a variety of options to fit different styles. They are available in multiple colors and sizes. Each version also features one of 3 meaningful messages: origami love, one fold at a time. Origami love, step by step, and origami love takes shape. In addition to its creative appeal, every Valentine's origami mug is designed for everyday practicality. It is dishwasher safe. It is microwave safe. Unlike disposable gifts or seasonal decor, this mug remains useful all year long. While supplies last, our Origami Valentine's Day Heart Mugs come with special offers. They are currently on sale and delivered with free shipping. If you would like more details or want to purchase one of our Valentine's Origami Mugs, click the Valentine's Origami Mug details link in the video description, or simply visit our website at origamiartiststudio.com. Please note that these Origami Valentine's Day mugs are produced in limited quantities. Once they are gone, they may not return this season. Whatever you decide, we at Origami Artist Studio want to wish you and yours a very happy Valentine's Day and many meaningful folds to come.